2022. May I now invite Senior Advisor DBT, Dr. Alka Sharma, for vote of thanks.
It is my privilege to propose vote of thanks on behalf of Department of Biotechnology, Ministry of Science and Technology. I am grateful to the Honorable Minister of State Independent Charge, Ministry of Science and Technology, Minister of State Independent Charge, Ministry of Earth Sciences, Minister of State PMO, Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievances, Pensions, Department of Atomic Energy and Department of Space, Government of India, Dr. Jitendra Singh ji, for sparing his valuable time in spite of his busy schedule for today's event of Curtain Raiser of India International Science Festival 2022. Sir, words are not enough to thank you for your constant guidance and inspiring leadership. I'm extremely thankful to the Honorable Minister of MSME and Science and Technology, Government of Madhya Pradesh, Shri Om Prakash Sakleja ji, for his gracious presence in today's event. Sir, we are grateful to you to grace this event today in person. My sincere thanks to Professor A.K. Sood, Principal Scientific Advisor to the Government of India, for his support and being with us today for this event. My special thanks to Dr. Rajesh S. Gokhale, Secretary, Department of Biotechnology, for his constant support and guidance in organizing this event. I am thankful to Dr. Ravi Chandran, Secretary, Ministry of Earth Sciences, and Shri Sudhir S. Baduria, General Secretary, Vibha, for their guidance and support, and representatives from Department of Atomic Energy and Department of Space. My sincere thanks to Dr. Sudhanshu Rati, ED RCB, for his team, my colleague Dr. Sanjay Mishra, Scientist H in DBT, all the coordinators and their teams of 14 sessions of IISF 2022, Dr. Arvind Ranade, Mr. Praveen Ramdas, and other officials from Vibha, officials from MP Cost and MANIT Bhopal, all my colleagues in DBT and BIREC for their tireless efforts for making this event a success. I convey my thanks to the officials from all the departments and council under Ministry of Science and Technology, Department of Space, Department of Atomic Energy for their sincere efforts for organizing this event, and all the participants here for gracing the occasion. I also take this opportunity to thank the media for excellent coverage. I once again thank you all for the support you have extended in making this event successful. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am, and thank you everyone.